Wow, are you super excited to be opening your new LOL doll?
Yeah.
Really excited?
Yeah.
I wonder what you're going to get. Shall we open it and find out? Go on then. What are you doing now?
I'm unzipping the zipper.
You're undoing the zipper? Ooh, I wonder what one you're going to get.
Oh, I'm nearly in it.
Are you nearly in it, darling?
Yeah.
Yeah. Here goes the zipper. What colour is it?
Pink.
Oh wow, twist it, twist it. Wow, what is that?
A clue.
Is it a clue? Let's have a look. Wow.
What does it say?
Let's have a look. It says Pixie Car.
Pixie. Look, she's called Colour Me
Fabulous.
Fabulous.
Wow.
Ow. Oh, my nail. My back.
What's it gonna be? What's it gonna be? Wow, show me. Wow.
Wow, I got a hairspray.
Wow, and you had a surprise come out.
Can this real spray? But why did it spray? Wow, my surprise.
What have you got? Oh, it's a handle. So you can carry your hairspray. That's well cool. Now what are you doing?
Opening the drawers. Can you have a look at this?
Wow, let's have a look.
Ooh. Do it.
Mike, does it feel funny? Let's have a look. Oh, oh. What is it? Show me.
She has real life hair.
What?
She has real life hair.
Wow, she does have real life hair. Show me her. Who have you got? Let's have a look. Oh, what does it
We
say?
got the stickers.
Miss Jive.
Look.
Wow. Let's have a look on here. Who do we have? Not her. Nope. Nope. No. No. Nope, nope, nope. Nope, nope. That's who we've got.
Who?
Look. Miss Jive.
But I really want to get her.
Well, we'll have to see if you get another one next time. Now what else have you got to open? They're like little rollers, look. Oh, what was that? It.
A brush.
Wow.
Oh, I got the bottle.
What? Show me.
A bottle.
Wow. It's a blue one.
We got a bottle.
What does it feel like?
It feels so gooey.
What's next?
A surprise.
Another blind bag.
Ooh, we got some boots.
Oh, wow. They look cool.
We got another blind bag. Let's get started. Ooh, she got some nice glasses.
Wow.
Ooh, it's her dress. Next, get her dress.
So what do we have? We have the outfit, a pair of glasses, a pair of boots, and a bottle. Wow, this is the new LOL. Look how cool she looks, Miss Jive. This is from the new series of LOL Hairgoals. Oh, this is so cool. Look at the hair.
So now, this is the stickers to put on her hair.
Wow. Oh, wow. Look at the case. It's actually a hairspray. Wow.
Now we're going to put some stickers on there.
Thank you for watching us open our new LOL doll. This is the new LOL doll from the new series, Hairgoals. Thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned for next time when we open more of these dolls to add to our new collection. Thank you.